Most people are using Claude completely wrong. They're asking random questions, starting new chats every time, and getting inconsistent results. But what if you could turn Claude into your personal assistant for an entire project? One that remembers everything, follows your rules, and works exactly how you want. That's exactly what projects in Cloud allow you to do. And in this video, I'll show you everything step by step. Who are Claude projects for? These projects are extremely useful for students, teachers, content creators, professionals, entrepreneurs, and freelancers. Basically, anyone who doesn't want to start from zero every time they use AI. If you want consistency, structure, and better results, you definitely need projects. Let's start with the basics. What are projects? Projects in Claude are like dedicated workspaces where you can organize your tasks, ideas, and instructions. Instead of starting fresh every time, you create a project once and Claude remembers your context, your instructions, and your goals. Think of it like this. A normal chat is a one-time conversation, but a project is ongoing collaboration. This is so powerful if you're creating content, managing work, studying, or building systems or courses. Core components in a project. Now, let's break down the core components in a project. So, every Claude project is built on four main elements. First, the title. This is simply the name of your project, so make it clear and specific. For example, Excel Finance Training, Project Management Course, or Instagram Accounting Content. A good title helps you stay organized when you have multiple projects. Second, instructions. And this is the most important part. This is where the magic happens. Instructions tell Claude how to behave, what tone to use, and what role to play. For example, you can say act like a professional project manager, explain things simply like a teacher, or give step-by-step actionable answers. The better your instructions, the better Claude performs. Third, goals. Goals define what you're trying to achieve and give Claude direction. For example, create a complete course on project management, generate structured content for beginners, or help me build real-world project templates. Without goals, Claude is just guessing. Fourth, knowledge or files, which is optional but very powerful. You can upload PDFs, documents, or notes, and Claude will use them as reference. This turns it into a smart assistant trained on your own material. Step by step, create a project. Right, enough talking. Now that you understand the structure, let's actually create a project together. I've prepared a document which will help us prepare a project. You can see I prepared the title, so Project Management Assistant. So it will assist us in our projects. And here we have all the goals, like what we expect Claude to do for us. So, for example, help plan, organize, and manage projects efficiently, and create timelines, milestones, and deadlines, support decision making, and then instructions. So, we want Claude to act as a professional project manager with clear, structured thinking. We want our responses in bullet points or tables. And for example, we want realistic deadlines and priorities. And after this, we'll attach a project management handout that I've prepared, which would support our project. And the prompt, what do you want? So it could be anything, but I made it make a real world project management scenario. So let's begin. First, click the sidebar. Now you'll see an option called projects. So let's click project. Now we'll create a new project. Right now, let's take the title from the document, Project Management Assistant. Let's copy and paste. And for goals again, let's copy the goals I have and paste it over here. Now click on Create a Project. Boom, your project is ready. Now, inside the project, you'll see a chat interface, but this is not a normal chat. Everything you ask here follows your instructions, aligns with your goals, and uses your uploaded knowledge. For example, instead of asking what is project management, you can say, create a beginner friendly lesson for my course. That's it. I won't give any further specifications. Claude will respond in my predefined style. This is why projects are so powerful. For the instructions, let's just copy paste the instructions from this document. Right, now that we have put all the goals, the instructions, and everything, now let's put the prompt and test it. So I'll go to the document and I'll collect the prompt. So let's copy it, go to Claude, and paste the prompt over here. Control V, enter. Now let's see the answer it gives us. Notice whatever it's saying, assigning milestones, building your project brand, laying out tasks, we instructed it. All these were mentioned in our instructions. Right. So now, whatever you can see, the e-commerce website launch, the total tasks in progress, milestones that are made, phases that are being shown with deadlines, priorities, progress. These were all mentioned in our instructions. So see what an amazing response. It would have never been possible if we made this in the normal chat. Advanced features. Let's go deeper. You can create multiple chats inside one project for different topics, like one for lessons, one for scripts, and one for ideas. While everything still stays under the same project context, you can edit instructions anytime to improve outputs. Unlike normal chats, Claude won't forget how you want things done, which gives you consistency. You can also share projects with other people to make contributions to your existing project. But in order to do that, you have to have the pro plan. I have a free plan, so I'll just attach a screenshot to you. The share option is right next to the title. When you share your project to someone, you can even assign roles to that person. Either you want him to just view your project or you want him to make edits. That's totally up to you. So instead of using AI randomly, start building systems with projects in Claude. Once you set it up properly, you're not just chatting with AI, you're building a complete workflow. And that's where the real power begins. Now, here's what I want you to do. Go ahead and create your own project right now. It can be anything, content creation, studying, business, research, whatever. Let me know in the comments what project you made. Subscribe my channel to watch more tutorials like this. Hit the bell icon and I'll see you in the next lesson.